Hi everyone and welcome to our Elite Currency webinar. Today is 4th of February 2019 and last week we had excellent setups. Then I'm going to show results very soon and we'll of course as always show you this week's setups. Have in mind that setups for that I will present you with today are valid for today, tomorrow, and early Wednesday. Okay, so today, tomorrow, and early Wednesday. So guys, before we start, quick disclaimer explaining that CFD and Forex are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. So those are not suitable for everyone. Please ensure that you fully understand the risk involved, and everything you see here and here on our recap is my personal opinion only. Trading rules, always, guys, give price a breathing room. We always enter in the zone. It's the POC zone. Add a spread to the stop loss, even if you trade via ECN or low spread account, add approximately 5 pips. I will change this to 5 pips plus the spread, depending on pair trading. Okay, like this. 5 pips plus the spread, depending on pair trading. For all markets, guys, add the spread to your stop loss. Always, no matter which markets you're trading, always add a spread to your stop loss. We take only one position per listed pair. It's either positional or alternative trade, whichever hits first. First touch of the zone or first touch or the entry in the zone is the most profitable. That is why we need to focus on that first touch, first entry in the zone. Positional trades are called trend trades. Alternative trades are called counter trend trades. Breakout trades and scalp trade levels should be traded independently of any position. Okay, have in mind, it's important, guys. Also, for Forex, equities, and commodities, try to protect your stop losses. If you trade Forex pairs approximately after 20 pips, you should try to protect your profits either by moving the stop loss to break even +1 or by scaling out. Also, this, as I already said, these setups are valid for today, tomorrow, and sometimes the day after tomorrow. And pay attention to my Twitter updates. They are very important. If I let's say announce something on Twitter, pay attention to it. It's usually my analysis, overview, and so on. Also, guys, add these levels to your system. Pay attention to trend. So you might find other trend-based entries if you missed the original entry. The term pips pool is the maximum available number of pips you could have got on my recaps or setups. This is for the previous week. Euro dollar was good for 80 pips. Pound dollar was good for 70 pips. The Australian dollar was good for 55 pips. Okay, the dollar yen 70 pips. BTC dollar didn't qualify. Okay, and gold alternative sell was well, it's okay, 50 pips. I think gold is very, very good, and each week we have very, very good setups with gold, and I like it a lot. Total pip pool is 325. Trade of the week, euro dollar. This is euro dollar. The vertical line always represents the time and the date of our webinar. So you can see the time, 7 o'clock my time. Okay, sorry guys, 7 o'clock platform time, 6 o'clock my time. It's 5 GMT now at this point, so you can see how the price rejected from the zone. Okay, so very, very clear rejection from the zone, exactly here. Euro dollar, the trade of the week. GBP dollar, we had 2 possible trading zones for buy and sell. What we had actually was buy. The price went into drawdown, never hit stop loss, and it went up afterwards. So if you were patient enough, you could have also made pips on GBP dollar here. The Australian dollar uptrend, we had alternative, no, we had actually a buy position. Again, it went into a drawdown, never hit stop loss, and it shooted to the upside. Dollar yen, also a good trading opportunity that we exploited in our favor. You can see how the price rejected from this spot. Also, well, even here or there, this was the zone, but then again, it rejected. Nice rejection from the zone. Even from this spot, it was okay. BTC dollar didn't qualify. Actually, that was a typo, I think, in my analysis, because the price was 34.02. I think I meant to buy around 33.40, not around it was not like a buy limit order, or this was a typo here, but definitely didn't qualify. And the gold was again good one. We had a buy position initiated. No, actually we had a sell position because it hit first. Sell position was initiated here, and it was good for possible 50 pips. Okay, I mean, it could have been better, but it was okay. Now we actually also trade gold via our London Open Advanced method, especially with London Open Advanced version 2. So yeah, gold is also good to trade, and you can always find good trading opportunities, especially if the commodity is actually trending. Gold is very good when we see a trend. Okay, now guys, regarding this week's setups, first euro dollar. My opinion that euro dollar could reject around from, of course, the zone that is close to 1400. 1360 is stop loss, TP is 1520. Alternative sell is 1520, stop loss is 1550, and the TP is 1430. So yeah, you can see that euro dollar can, I think it can reject once more. Let's see the euro dollar here. I will open my template. I guess that if the price gets here close to this level, it could reject indeed to the upside. So it was close to the POC, but even here, guys, pay attention around 1490 here. This reversal or U-turn shape pattern can actually spike the euro dollar again to the upside. So I think, Mondays are not that great for trading. So I still think that the potential for the upside remains intact for the euro dollar. So I would go with a long position on euro dollar, really. If it goes to 1520, guys, it's weekly H4, it's monthly H3. This is a sell. I think we could make a sell order here, exactly this point, like a blind sell. I'm thinking to do that really, because I think that if the price gets here, it will be sold. I don't know how much it will go. I wrote it on my PPT, but I think that you can actually make even a scalp. The full TP is 1430, yeah. But then again, even if it gets to 1497, it's good 20 pips, because I think this could go here and retest this level. And it's a big confluence here. A lot of historical sellers, weekly H4, monthly H3. So I think this could be a naked sell. Of course, not a naked sell in the sense that the price goes up like crazy and you press a sell. If it slowly grinds towards 1520, then I think it's good to sell. Let's get back to next slide. GBP dollar. Yeah, ranging 31.30 sell, 31.75 stop, 30.20 TP. It's close to alternative buy position. 30.20, 29.90 TP, 31.30. I could actually set positional buy because this is ranging. So yeah, because the price is ranging, okay, we can leave it. So I think it's close to buy position. The GBP dollar, yeah, not very, very close, but actually you see the market is a bit flat. It started to turn down now, but I think this could be a buy here. You see it's ATR pivot point, it's close to weekly L3. This is the zone for buying trades and for buying the GBP dollar. So I think this could actually go here and then it can spike up. And alternatively, guys, this is what you can also search for. 31.30 if the price spikes heavily to the upside, the 31.30. So yeah, this is the zone for sell. So this is the range basically, up, down, up, down. Nothing very, very substantial here on the GBP dollar. Now regarding the Australian dollar, I'm currently in a trade from my ECS Live webinar. Okay, so the Australian dollar is a buy trade. I have two positions, 72.25, 72.30. Yeah, stop loss is actually, guys, yeah, it's 71.85. I think that Australian dollar is still in uptrend, but we need to give it a little bit more room. So now, if you want to join, you can join. I think it is uptrend, but Mondays are like that. You see. So basically here, 71.85. I need to move my stop loss. Yeah, it's too low now. Actually, the price is in the zone now. Let me just check something, guys. I would change stop loss here. It's not okay. I think the stop loss, I need to just check something. Maybe I made a typo. Stop loss is actually 72.00. Yeah, that's okay. My stop loss is fine there. So only if you join now, it would be only 17 pip stop. That is how I do it. Yeah, I will do it. So stop loss is 72.00. Exactly like here. TP 72.80, sell 72.80, stop loss 73.20, TP 72.10. Yeah, it's okay. We can add a little bit more of a spread because my original stop loss is 72.05. I always add 7 pips. So yeah, this would be it. Yeah, it's okay. The Australian dollar. Yeah, it's okay like this. Yeah. Okay. And once more, if you have 2 positions, guys, oh, it's a low risk, so it's okay. Yeah, I think this could actually, because the price is really going up. You see, it's going up. It's also, this is the zone where it could start to reject. Actually, the POC2 is here. The price is now, you see, it's in retracement mode, but this is uptrend. So I think that, and also what is important, it's here, it's monthly L3. So now the price is gravitating to make itself into an equilibrium mode. So if the price wants to be in uptrend, it needs to be above weekly L3. If there will be a change of a trend, it will drop, hit our stop loss, and proceed further down. So yeah, let's see. Again, I'm not using a big stop loss here, so let's see what will happen. If it rejects, it could happen maybe during, Tokyo session. I'm not sure how far it will drop. It could go to weekly L3, test it, and then go up. It could start to go up from this spot. This was our signal, discretionary, basically, because I didn't wait for my method to kick in. I was actually waiting for a signal. And for me, this breakthrough lower Bollinger Band and close with the engulfing was a signal, because higher time frames are signaling longs to actually go long. But again, we need to wait. This is a little bit slow pair. So you see only 61 pip for the last 5 trading days. Yeah, we have a order block here also, guys. Let's see, it's basically, if it drops here, it will be, yeah, the order block here. H3 is here. Okay, so yeah, I think there will be nice possibility for the Australian dollar to even spike from this spot. It's most important that it doesn't break lower. If it breaks lower, this setup will be invalid and our stop loss will be hit. Yeah, so that's the risk we need to take. Okay. Yeah, that is the Australian dollar. So if you want to join, guys, yeah, that's it. Now we go to the dollar yen. 109.20 is buy, stop 108.80. 110.35 is TP. Sell is 110.35, stop 110.65, TP 109.20. So dollar yen is also nice pair to trade when there is some sort of a trend. When it's a slow market, it's really very, very slow, boring. Now this is a trend. If the price gets here in the zone, that is a sell, although it started to sell exactly from the weekly H4 and from this confluence spot, but we are late now. So I would wait for a next leg, if actually it makes a leg to the upside, then this is the zone to sell. 109.20 is the zone to buy. This is the only zone that I see a buy, a good long opportunity. At this spot, now it's too far away. So also, guys, pay attention to this level. Very, very important level, 109.75. It's an order block, so confluence here. So this could also reject from this spot, 109.75. Watch for that, guys. It's a strong confluence zone. Okay. Next one is the BTC. 35.50 is a sell, 34.35 is a buy, 36.50 stop. Always 100 pip stop loss, but use the most 1% of risk within the stop loss, because I wouldn't use it higher. Bitcoin versus dollar is volatile. So yeah, here, guys, if you want to trade it again, really do it with a lower risk. Okay, 34.35, it should drop here. Okay, from weekly L4, this is the zone, and 35.60, this is the zone to sell. So this zone, sell, buy. This is a good level to go long, I guess. There are also a lot of historical buyers here from this spot. Yeah, this is basically, it's downtrend, but it's ranging. You see the flat middle Bollinger Band line. It's flat, so it's ranging. Yeah, I guess, let me just check something. Nah, it doesn't matter. I can see the range. I don't need to see L1, H1. This is the range. You see how the price is moving sideways. So there is no clear trend at this spot. It's like generally downtrend, but consolidation. This is consolidation. And next one is gold. Uptrend on gold, 30.10 buy, 13.05 stop, so 50 pip stop. 13.25 TP. You know that gold uses different pip calculation than Forex. This is actually 50 pip stop loss. Usually using 50 pip stop loss on gold. 13.25 sell, stop loss 13.30, and TP 13.10. So XAU USD. Clear uptrend. Okay, guys, so watch for the setup. Now, if you have any other questions, go ahead and ask me. As I'm saying, the only trade that you might be interested now for this recap is the Australian dollar, because this is happening right now. But as I say, it's tricky because it's Monday, it's retracement, it can hit this level, shoot up, or I would like if it rejects right now, because if it breaks this level, it will probably get back into a bearish mode. This is crucial, 72.00 basically. That is crucial level for uptrend. First of all, it's a weekly L3. Second, it's a psychological level, 72. You see how strong momentum was from 72 to 72.60. So 72 should be protected if bulls want to dominate. Yeah, guys, just give me a quick. I think we should have a poll, indeed, David. But yeah, okay. Just give me a few seconds, guys. Just give me a few seconds. I need to see if it's ready. David, you're right, but I need to see if it's ready, actually. It should be held here, so we will wait. Guys, if you have any other questions regarding setups, just go ahead and ask me. Yeah, and I'm waiting for a signal to go with questionnaire. Let's see. Okay, do you have any a question? Let's see the trades. So we will go with questionnaire. I just need to see actually a signal that it is ready. Yeah, guys, Australian dollar can move a lot, indeed. But again, it's that is why we use smaller stop losses. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, yeah, I will answer your question, guys. Then we'll go with the questionnaire. Yeah, I see a signal now that it's ready. So yeah, GBP CAD, would I sell it? Let's see. GBP CAD. What is this? Wow, what good signals we had, guys. This is looking good, but what is the time now? It's 6:24 p.m. You know, David, if it were, let's say, a London session or a start of New York session, I might go for a sell. Now it's I don't know how you see it's already at its full ATR. Watch the ATR here. 145. It's on full ATR. I wouldn't touch it right now. It's no, we don't have a very active session. So if I see that if I saw that the ATR was not full, and let's say that it at least have 50, 60 pips till the full ATR, and that London or New York session is, just started, then I would say sell. It's tempting, but I don't want to touch it. I already have the Australian dollar and dollar Swissy from the London session, so I won't touch this. So yeah, I think it's not. We don't have an active session. That's the main reason, really. Okay, my stop loss Ali is at 71.98. I showed you here 71.98 with XC. This is for Telegram also 71.98 here. Okay, low risk trade. Full ATR means, you see, the GBP CAD, guys, pay attention. The question what it means full ATR. This is full ATR. You see 145 today. Last 5 days is 144. This is full ATR. So the price today reached the full ATR projection. 145 versus 144. It's even overshot by 1 pip. That's full ATR. We don't trade trending pairs when it's full ATR. Usually we go counter trend. Now you see it's full ATR. It can go down, but then it will mean that this ATR will go even higher. And it's not active session. It's tempting, but I don't touch it really. Okay. Now, guys, let's see the questionnaire and poll. And the first 3 guys in the list will get the reward. I'm preparing this. Okay. Let's see. Yes, Marius, you're right. It went from one side to other. Exactly. Yes, you can use the ATR 5. Anywhere from 5 to 14 is okay. So yeah, give me just, guys, give me just a few seconds for. Okay, responses we have. Okay, here I'm now will start a raffle, guys. Okay. Okay. Now be patient for this. Okay. This is it. I have the file now. Yeah, guys, you can put 5 to 14, so it should be okay. You see now the GBP CAD is dropping actually. Yeah, but I'm not taking it. I'm still into this Australian dollar, and I have this Australian dollar Swissy, so I'm waiting, guys. Really. But if I, as I already tell you, if I saw this signal in active session and the ATR is not full, I would take it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I will start the live raffle. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I will. This is it. And now I will paste these email addresses. First three, guys, you will see this live. First three will get reward as promised. Let me just copy these email addresses. Yeah. This is it, guys. I will just move the screen, but I will show you the results. These are all your email addresses, guys. And I will do it live. First three will get a reward, as I said. Let me see if I... Okay. Yeah, guys, David, I will check the gold just after I do this raffle. Okay, now the first three, guys. Randomize. Okay, this is it. These are guys who got the reward. Okay, I will paste it here. Okay. So that's it. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's the luck, you know. I usually don't have to do anything with luck. So, yeah, congratulations to all of you guys who won the raffle. Oh well, guys, if it's now for you know, for sympathy, yeah, I usually am not lucky into those luck games. I know I never win anything. Yeah, let's check something. It was interesting to see. So now I brought luck to someone, so it's okay. I hope, guys, that you enjoyed it. Here is the list again. Yeah, you see. Yeah. David, you're at position 30. Yeah. Gambling is not my stuff either. That's why I never win. Yeah. But it's interesting. Why not? Okay. Put your chance to good use, as Doran is saying, indeed. Yeah, we trade safe. Yeah. Small risk. This is the XAU USD, David. I don't see any big opportunity here. You know why? Because it didn't show us a short signal here. Here. Yeah, ECS Live is our service. We had, so far in last 2 weeks, we had 21 win, I think, and only 2 losses. So, yeah, you know, I always say you need to lose sometimes. But it was, I think, also one of the best months that we had. The start of 2019 was rocky because markets were going up and down, and basically what happened is markets still were still needed to be put into an equilibrium mode. And when prices got into equilibrium, we started winning. David, this is the gold 1 hour chart. On 4 hour, let's see 4 hour. I'm watching 1 hour. Yeah, I didn't see. This is 4 hour. You see here, if it drops, it would be from 1.8. Actually, this is not ideal trade. Not the perfect head and shoulders. This is head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. But this is not head and shoulders here. This is not the shoulder. This is it. Head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. SHS. This is nothing. I wouldn't trade this because this is 1.8. Now we might get a signal from light, but it's 1.8. I'm not sure. I will think about this. No, Wally, it's not a long trade. Wait, I'm watching actually 1 hour. Actually, yeah. You are talking about 4 hour. I thought it was 4 hour. Let me check. Weekly? No, weekly. You see, guys, this weekly. Yeah, but weekly is not thick. Weekly is not thick. It needs to be thick. Daily, it's okay. 4 hour is okay. But weekly, guys, weekly. Weekly is not okay. Weekly should be thick blue, guys. It's not Camarilla MACD light. It should be thick blue. Only then you buy. So if this changes to thick blue and it stays like this, then you can actually, yes, we check 3 time frames. Weekly, daily, 4 hour. 4 hour and daily are okay, but weekly is not okay. I wouldn't go. We need to respect the rules, guys. No worries. The question, what is your opinion about oil? Okay. Oil. Let me find it. Four-hour swing trading. Weekly up, daily retracement. 4 hour. Yeah, this could actually go up. Regarding oil, guys, this could go up from weekly L3. So it's going up. It still needs a little bit more to the upside when it will be confirmed up. So, guys, yes, this could be a long trade. Yeah, Mario's down, but Dorin, this could be a long, according to Camarilla MACD light. However, it's at 6.8, 7.8. It still can go up. David, please save your question for London Open Advanced on my tomorrow's webinar. I can actually answer you. This is London Open Advanced. You pull the trigger exactly at this spot, okay? When this line is broken, you see it hit target price. I didn't trade it today. So if this is the high and you have this printed up to the upside, you trade on long. This was a short trade, so you pull the trigger here and both TP were touched. So this is London Open Advanced. Unfortunately, I didn't take this, but I should have. This was a very good trade. XAU USD shows great results with London Open Advanced. You don't, David, you don't wait that the box turns green-orange. You need to see levels. If the levels are here, then you pull the trigger here. If levels are there, then you pull the trigger here. Yes, London Open Advanced is becoming beast indeed, especially on gold. And David, you can send me your backtest results on on my email, so I will take a look. Euro yen. Renu is asking about euro yen. Yeah, I would like this Australian dollar trade to be winner one. Because if the Australian dollar goes up, then it will pull the Australian dollar Swissy. So euro yen here. Euro yen. I would buy this euro yen. It could go down, but this is where it should reject. Also, pay attention to order block. It could reject from this spot, euro yen, and it could reject from this zone. So here or there, I would go long. But according to my Kimberly MACD, this is the level, this is the zone to go for you to go long. But this order block can also spike the price to the upside. And hi, Elliott, we are actually closing now. I will roll the slides so you can see it. Setups for this week: euro dollar, GBP dollar, here euro dollar. Yeah, weekly and monthly, Renu, but I'm not trading monthly. Monthly and weekly are two big time frames for me. Renu, if you trade intraday or you trade swing, the highest time frame that you watch is weekly, and you drill down weekly, daily, 4 hour. But if you go to monthly and weekly, it's like you're investing money. This is not it's like we trade one day. We have trades that last for 1 day, sometimes 2 days, sometimes 3 hours. So basically, yeah, monthly and weekly are like investing. You put the money and wait. It can take years to develop, especially monthly. Monthly, it's 12 candles only, guys. On 1 hour, it's 1 day. On monthly, it's full year. I'm not trading monthly. So this is euro dollar. This is GBP dollar. I am very active trader, and I really like to trade good setups on intraday basis. That is what my specialty is. So, guys, this is free for all. But I really can advise you to also join our ECS Live, because, as I said, last 2 weeks we had 21 win, only 2 losses. So, yeah, just join, and I think that you will repay the investment that is not high. It's 109 euros. You will, for 1 month, you have better price if you subscribe to 3 and 6 months. You will repay it very soon, guys. Dollar yen. I mean, that is how the trend is. We are actually in uptrend with ECS Live. And yeah, final gold. So, guys, this is it. If you need any other setup or anything is not clear, guys, feel free to ask me. Definitely, we have very, very good rewards with weekly recap. But as I say, yeah, ECS Live is much better than putting the money in the bank, because you will get only 1% per year. Yeah, guys, that would be all for now. Tomorrow, for ECS Live members, we have webinar for all of you guys. This is free one, freebies from Nenad. And yeah, the last question: can I confirm entry point? I would watch for 125 to 125.14. But if the price drops to 125.14, watch for reversal pattern. That will be your signal. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.